Hello, welcome to our MyUCLA portal tutorial. Today we will teach you how to navigate your MyUCLA portal. So please head over to my.ucla.edu, and on the right side you will find the sign in tab. Make sure to sign in using your UCLA login information, and once you log in you will land on a page very similar to this one. Here you will find your main menu with different tabs. We have our My Features tabs, faculty, classes, academic, staff, finances, jobs, campus lives, and other student resources. For the purpose of this video, I will focus on particular tabs only, specifically our classes, academics, finances and jobs, and campus lives. So if we head over to the classes tabs, you could find your weekly schedule multiple ways, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to focus on one way. So if you head over to the class planner, click on it, it'll redirect you to your weekly schedule. I am a grad student taking these 3 classes, therefore these are the 3 classes that appear on my planner. If you head over to the classes tabs, you'll find additional information on your enrollment appointments, your classmates. If you need to change a class, drop a class, change the units, if you need proof of enrollment, you can also find that here. Any grades and transcripts, so your final grades will be located under this section, and so will your transcripts. So this is where you request your transcripts as well. If you are looking for the Center of Accessible Education, we have a link here on how to request an accommodation. So definitely make sure to check that out if that is something that you do need. In the academic section, we have information related to your academic profile. So any holds, any registration status information, you will find that here. If you are someone who's looking for advising and academic services, you can find your appointments here and any workshops related to that as well. Graduation information located here. So definitely make sure to check that out, especially if you're someone who's graduating very soon. In the finances and jobs section, you will find information related to your Bruin bill. And this is really where you pay any bills that you may acquire throughout your time here at UCLA. You could also find tax information that you'll need if you're filing for taxes, as you can see here. We also have our financial aid and scholarship section. This is where you will find your financial aid award letter, any disbursement summary, any summer financial aid applications, and again, any other documents really related to financial aid. All that information will be located here. If you're someone who is interested in finding a job, you can head over to this jobs and community section, specifically our Handshake website. Definitely a great resource to check out. There are tons of jobs listed on there, and this is really UCLA specific. We have our internship search section and any work study job search information here as well. And then lastly, we have our campus life tab listed under here. Here you will find information related to dining, so any menus, our UCLA restaurants. Definitely make sure to check those out. And like calendar information, so any UCLA or university holidays, you will find that here. Housing information such as application or a maintenance request, you can submit that here. Parking information, so our parking application, important deadlines, and citation information, you can find that on this website as well. We have our social section, we have our health and safety section. So if you do need to make a ASH appointment, this is the link for that. It'll redirect you to your ASH portal. You can go ahead and make your appointment through there. We also have our campus assault resources and education. We have our counseling and psychological services appointments, so CAPS, and we also have our disability support services website, all linked here. Definitely want to draw your attention to our UC SHIP enrollment and waiver tab. This is where you will apply to have your UC SHIP insurance waived. There are important deadlines, so definitely keep a lookout for those deadlines so you don't miss them. And then lastly, we have our student organizations, surveys and notices, and basic needs resources listed over here to the right of this section. So that basically concludes our video for today. If you do have any questions or need additional support, make sure to check out the other student services tab over here in the student support section. But if not, I really encourage you all to take a few minutes, explore your MyUCLA portal, get comfortable with this navigating this portal, and yeah, best of luck.